Welcome back, dear friends. So in this video we are going to discuss about AutoCAD 2023 installation and first impression. Already we are uploading the video how to download AutoCAD 2022 software. I give the link below the description. Please check it. The same procedure for downloading AutoCAD 2023 also. Just you go to the Google, you type AutoCAD 2023 student version. You get the number of result. Just you go to select the first one. So that link is open to another page in Autodesk website. So already you have an account means just login. Otherwise create a account. So the student or educator have the free access for 1 year AutoCAD 2023 software. So after login your account, choose AutoCAD. You have the options to select which version you want. So AutoCAD 20, 21, 22, 23. So 4 version is available. So now I go to select 2023. Then we have another option to select the language. So now I select an English language. Press the install button. One small software is download. After downloading, just install the software. Now the process started to downloading, and also you get an email from Autodesk. Once you successfully create an account or you try to download AutoCAD software, you receive the email from the Autodesk. So in this email, I have the license up to April 1923. So same like that, you also receiving the mail for an 1 year license agreement. So now the installation is over. So AutoCAD 2023 installed, and now I try to open. So very first time you are opening AutoCAD 2023, you get a window like this. So just for customizing our previous version and the new version. So now is AutoCAD 2023 is opening. It's the first time, maybe it takes some time to open. So we will wait. I think almost done. So this is a AutoCAD 2023. Then this is the first home page. Now I try to open the new window. So in the start menu also little upgraded. So icons and commands I think almost same. No big different in the previous version and new version. So that full down menu is already converted into ribbon bar. So in the below model layout 1, layout 2, these are little changes. Changes means only the design wise the little changes, and then operations all are same only. So if you want what's new in AutoCAD 2023, so please comment below. I will make here one separate video what is new in AutoCAD 2023. So now I go to just check the validity. So see here we have the for 1 year validity is available. So and also we are using the student version. So I have a February 26th 2023. So I have a 1 year license for AutoCAD 2023. I hope you are enjoying this video. Thank you for watching. We will meet you in the next class.